Hey guys, so we're gonna do a squishy
collection.
But I want to just show you something. I got these from my grandma, and it's a ton of earplugs. If you guys want me to do a video on making squishies, tell me about Sarah. Because we have a ton. We're gonna because we really don't know what to make out of these besides like carrots and medicine squishies.
Yeah, we only made those medicine squishies.
But they're so.
Yes, guys. This might be a little just annoying to you. We just wanted to get this in our video.
Yeah. So yeah. If you guys want me to do a video on these, I will definitely.
We already just made a video on them.
No, like on doing one of those. Okay, so first I have an Eric banana.
I traded for that.
Yeah. I'm gonna switch it for you guys if you guys like the crinkly noises. And I'll take it out for you.
Nobody likes the crinkling noises.
And I'll take it out for you guys if you guys don't like it. It feels so good and wobbly. It really is. I'm mad that it doesn't smell like a banana. Like, I really thought that it would smell. But
yeah,
it's really shimmery there. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Really shimmery. Really shimmery.
Talk louder.
It's so squishy. And
we traded for that. I traded
yeah.
for that. And we will be saying that to every squishy we traded. So don't get annoyed by it.
Okay, now let's do the squishy.
We don't care if you press the thumbs down button. It's your opinion.
Okay, now let's show our Michael squishy. Look at yours. Okay, so she gave me all of these. So yeah, they're trade. And I made the packaging for them, by the way. Oh, remember China. We made
China.
Okay, so I have.
Here's the tag.
Okay, so I have a strawberry donut, and it says.
Guys, this is hard, but it has arrived.
Here's a
And there's vanilla drizzle with rainbow sprinkles. And then I have this donut. So hard.
And she's not lying, guys. Even me.
And then I have another donut. I gave her my strawberry
Macaron.
I gave her my strawberry one.
Pop, Kiko. I bloom.
It's really not that
Yeah, we just
made that.
Because
we were bored.
Why?
Because we were bored and we stayed up all night, like almost all night. We stayed up until like 1 in the morning. So we were just...
Lots of people trick people about like these are eye balloons and stuff. Like people say there's such thing of a like that little cornet
and then
person
I have
inside.
this little cake.
She has the cake that I want.
Then I have this. I have a lot of Michael squishies. Okay. Then I have this macaron. This is what she wants. Okay, and then I have
A hot dog.
hot dog.
I'm mad that they don't like the little.
Yeah, the wiener isn't squishy. See, I'm not lying. Shelly wouldn't try.
It's rock solid.
And then we have this. It's really special, but it's in bad condition.
Yeah, this one we saw at Michael's, so we got it.
No, we didn't. No! This was a present from my aunt.
Stop it.
Well, she's not really my aunt, but we call her it because she's sort of like her aunt. And her dogs are over, but I'm having a sleepover with her. And I might have another one, So it's
More on the
in
stress
a bad condition right now because I've been doing a lot of squishy dares on it. But
You should at least wash it.
It's a stressful.
It's morning time, so usually my eyes get watered. Oh, sorry.
So there.
Okay, now
there.
let's do. I really want. I only have three cafe. No, wait. I only have 2 Cafe Diem squishies.
I have 3.
I only have.
No, I have 4 because you just gave me one.
I don't really care about Cafe Diem anymore. I'm not a huge fan, but I only really.
I'm not
want-
going to show my parents.
It's been 5 minutes. Hurry! If we've only done a little bit. Okay. Cornet.
I lost the vanilla panda.
I'm
putting more. Oh.
This squishy. This squishy.
Wait, where's Millie? Where's my Millie?
Show Billy.
We'll just show her because it's sort of like the other Millie, so where's Billy?
Show squishy. Next, I mean, Panda. She does.
Mine's not with me.
Cafe Diem.
Wait for Ava, you can't.
You have to go fast.
Well, I have a Cafe Diem sugar bun.
I guess that counts.
It is a Cafe Diem.
And then Jumbo White Bloom Peach.
Cafe Diem macaroni.
And Tweety Mile Panda Bun. And
Ava, you can't just.
we have to go fast.
We don't have a lot to do it.
I want strawberry.
All my
Ava, I have to get some stuff.
Ava, but
Mini
all
Ice
my
Peach.
sports balls. My
Cafe
Bear
Diem.
ice cream. Mix it. Here's the tag, guys. She keeps taking over the camera.
Well, I have to get my squishy. I have this, I am a Tokyo sister. I have this Bear School. Bear School. I meant to say I Bloom.
And then she gave me this.
And it has a disease.
Yeah. Because she put this stuff on.
Wait, it's not on there anymore.
Then go get it and show them.
It smells like apples, though.
Mine's really
It
soft.
smells
guys.
really good. And it used to
Then I
have some dots
two
on
mochi
it.
seals. I'll show you one of mine because I don't want to hurry. I want to hurry up this video. I have the panda sign and the pearl pink strawberry one. That one smells like strawberry high tea. The strawberry one. And then I have.
I'm not gonna just show. I'm not showing my
Ivan
common
tea,
squishies. I'm not squishing my common squishies.
My Terry too.
Hurry up,
Guys,
and bye.